Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus in granite crystal metallic. With HID headlamps, S appearance package, 18-inch aluminum wheels, black stow-in-place roof racks, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 45,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10068A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.